What should we do when our brakes suddenly fail while driving? Many people say that they use the guardrail next to them to slow down. Wrong. Some people say that they can just open the door and jump out of the car. This is even more undesirable, very dangerous. Others say to apply the handbrake immediately. This is even more wrong, will cause the vehicle to roll over. Today I will tell you the correct way to deal with brake failure. Study seriously and you can save your life at critical moments. If you encounter brake failure, first, turn on the hazard warning lights immediately. Let the cars next to you know that your car is having trouble. Then hold the steering wheel firmly with one hand. Prevent the vehicle from straying. Hold the mechanical handbrake with the other hand. Simultaneously press and hold the upper buttons, repeatedly pulling up and putting down. Pull up and put down. Pull up and put down. This braking method can bring the vehicle to a steady stop. Have you learned it? Isn't it very practical? Follow me and make a friend who understands cars.